Have you ever looked at a map and wondered why the South China Sea, just a stretch of ocean, causes so much tension between some of the world's biggest powers? Why are so many countries clashing over it? And what makes it so important that nations are willing to risk conflict? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most contested and complex regions in modern geopolitics, the South China Sea. Let's start with the basics. The South China Sea is a vast body of water, spanning about 3.5 million square kilometers, located between China, the Philippines, Vietnam, Malaysia, Brunei, and Taiwan. It's not just any sea, it's one of the busiest maritime trade routes in the world. Roughly one-third of global shipping passes through these waters, carrying trillions of dollars worth of goods each year. That alone makes it a hotspot of strategic importance. But that's just the beginning. Beneath the surface of the South China Sea lies a treasure trove of natural resources: oil, gas, and fish. The area is believed to hold up to 11 billion barrels of oil and nearly 200 trillion cubic feet of natural gas. For countries with growing economies and increasing energy needs, this isn't just about territory. It's about securing future energy supplies. Add to that the region's rich fishing grounds, and you've got another reason for competition. For millions of people in Southeast Asia, fishing is a matter of survival, not just economics. Now, here's where it gets controversial. Several countries claim overlapping parts of the South China Sea, but none of these claims are more sweeping than China's. China bases its claim on what's called the Nine-Dash Line, a U-shaped boundary that stretches deep into the sea and covers almost 90% of it. This claim overlaps with the exclusive economic zones, known as EEZs, of several Southeast Asian nations. The problem? The international community doesn't officially recognize the Nine-Dash Line. In 2016, an international tribunal in The Hague ruled in favor of the Philippines in a case against China, stating that China's sweeping claims had no legal basis. China, however, rejected the ruling. Since then, tensions have only grown. China has built artificial islands and military bases in disputed waters, while the US and other nations conduct freedom of navigation operations to challenge what they see as China's aggressive expansion. It's like a geopolitical chessboard, only this one is at sea. What makes it more dangerous is that these aren't just political disagreements. They involve militaries. Warships from multiple countries patrol the region. Fishermen are caught between coast guards. And all it could take is one miscalculation to trigger a larger conflict. In a world already facing global uncertainty, this flashpoint has the potential to escalate quickly. But beyond the politics and power plays, the South China Sea raises a deeper question. Who gets to decide what belongs to whom in our shared planet? And how can international laws be enforced when powerful nations choose to ignore them? The South China Sea is more than a regional dispute. It's a test of international order, a struggle for resources, and a symbol of rising power tensions in the 21st century. And as the world watches, one thing is clear: what happens here will affect us all, whether we live near the sea or thousands of miles away. If you found this video insightful, help us share it by giving it a like and dropping a comment below. And if you're passionate about understanding our ever-changing world, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you in the next video.